so much, Mr. Kamath, for the very motivating address. And now the House is open for interaction. Any questions? Okay, the question comes to Dr. Naresh Trehan. Since GOL has never focused on accountability, how can the medical fraternity itself ensure professional accountability? Do we have the mics there, please? Okay.
A good question, of course, because we are, the Congress party is in Chintan mode in Jaipur today. We are also, as a profession, also in a Chintan mode because there has been erosion of many basic tenets of medicine at the hands of a minority of doctors who have crossed the line into, like I said, there's three things that I talked about. That there is a credibility gap that we are staring at the hands of patients, public at large. So we need to actually, and we are doing this on a daily basis now, to say what are the tools that are available to us to improve accountability. And some of the best things that we can do is to bring in the right amount of training with evidence-based medicine. So we know what are the ways and means of dealing with a particular disease under what parameters, which were never taught to us in medical school, which were not taught to us in our post-graduation in India, but they were always taught or benchmarked in foreign countries or the Western countries because they have been able to analyze the outcomes of certain forms of treatment in a more methodological manner. So I think that what we really have to do is to create that system, because accountability cannot be enforced unless you have tools to measure it against. And that's exactly what is happening. We created now the NABH, which is National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Facilities. In that, we have put in safety features. Now that more and more hospitals have been going for it, that I think things will improve, but not to say that the environment is such that the temptations for many doctors